This is Master. In this video, we are going to learn the World Taekwondo Federation official form PALGWE 1장. Alright, let's learn this step by step from 기본 준비 서기. Here from 기본 준비 서기, your first movement is 앞굽이 아래 막기 on your left hand side. Here 앞굽이 아래 막기, followed by 몸통 막기, body block. Here another front stance. Do the same thing on the other side. On right, 앞굽이 아래 막기, followed by 몸통 막기. Now, turn your body to the left, facing front, make left front stance. When 앞굽이 아래 막기. Now you will do 뒷굽이 back stance out of block twice. And followed by right hand middle punch with the kiai. Next movement here from 오른 앞굽이 with the 몸통 반대뜨기. Turn your body to the left, use your right foot as an axis. 손날 몸통 막기, followed by 몸통 막기 with the 뒷굽이 stance. Again, you do the same, repeat on the other side. 손날 몸통 막기 with the 뒷굽이 stance, followed by 몸통 막기. Now turn your body to the left. Let's go back where you're starting from. Turn left, 아래 막기. Alright, I will explain from this part from front view. From here, when 앞굽이 아래 막기, next movement is 손날 목치기. Here's the first one with the 오른 앞굽이, 오른 손날 목치기. And you do it one more time. 왼 손날 목치기 with the 왼 앞굽이 stance. Followed by 오른 주먹, 몸통 반대 들기 with the 기아. Hey! This one has a 기아. Next movement, you will use your right foot as axis. On your body to the left, make 왼손 아래 막기 with the 왼 앞굽이 stance. Basically, you will repeat the first line, what you did in the beginning of your Poomsae. Here one more time. Followed by 오른 앞굽이, 오른 몸통 막기. On your body to the right, make 앞굽이 아래 막기, followed by 몸통 막기. Finish your Poomsae in the same spot where you're starting from.